it's your girl Bri. If you didn't know, now you know, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and I'm going to be giving you guys a wig review. I bought this wig off of Amazon, and we're just going to see what the situation is, what it's looking like. I've been seeing everybody on YouTube has been really into like headband wigs, so I'm going to give it a go. So anyways, if this is the first time that you're seeing my face, thank you for tuning in. If this is not your first time, thank you for returning. Either way, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell too while you at it. And let's get into this video. So I got my package here from Amazon. I already opened it off camera, but I put everything back nice and neat, so that you guys could see the whole unboxing situation. Boom. So the brand is Iseehair. So, like I said, it's a headband wig. I got it straight, and it's 16 inches. Because I wanted to do like a whole layered look, like Aaliyah J. I don't know if y'all know who that is. If you don't know, you should know. But I'm going to try to see how that works out. But yeah, this is the wig. It's giving a little something something, and literally y'all, it's just a headband, like a headband. It's like Velcro, so you attach it to the back. So you have 2 combs at the top and 1 comb at the bottom. Okay, so that's the wig. What else is in the box? Because you know, these hair companies, they always send you goodies. So I got me 2 headbands. I got this one that's like floral, and I got this one that's black and printed. Okay, so you might be able to do something with those. And then they also sent me some lashes. I just learned how to put on lashes the correct way. I'm so proud of myself. You know, y'all don't care, but still, I know how to put on lashes now. These are the lashes they sent. They're real cute. Oh yes, Iseehair, very cute. Let's put all of that back. I have my puff situation, so I'm gonna try to braid this back so that I can give you guys a view of what the wig looks when it's on. So, give me 1 second. Okay, so now I have my hair braided back. Well, actually, it's like half braids, half flat twists. It's like a 60-40 situation going on. I didn't feel like braiding the whole thing. That was just gonna take too long. But the point is, it's flat enough that I can put the wig on top. And that's all that matters. So now we're gonna take some edge control. I love this She Is Bomb collection. Yes. Okay, so I'm not a professional edge slayer or nothing, but I think I did okay. I knew I had a wig cap somewhere, but I couldn't find it. Now it's time to try our wig on. And let's see what our girl is about. I do think the hair could have been like a little bit thicker, a little bit fuller. But I think this is definitely something that I can work with. It feels smooth. I don't feel like I really need to like flat iron it right now. I do still want to layer it like I said before, but I also think this is like a nice length to leave it at right now. Not bad. Not bad at all. And you guys, I spent, how much? I spent like not even $90 on this wig. And I bought it off of Amazon. I like this. I'm a fan of the headband wigs, and they got straight, they got like water curl, they got body wave, they got all types of curls. I even saw there's like a kinky hair one. Might have to try that out. Does this look like 16 to y'all? I don't know. I'm gonna try on the headbands that they gave. So this first one was like floral. That's cute. I kind of like that. It has like little pops of color, so that's really cute. And then we're gonna try this dark colored one. Ooh, they're really stretchy, which is good. Ooh, just got the wig. I'm done messing it up. This one is cute too. And I think they like randomly choose which headbands they send to you. So you might get something like this, you might get something different, but this is really cute. You know those chunky headbands that everybody are into right now? You can buy those. I ordered me some off of Shein. I got, I think 5 for like $28. And a lot of these girls are charging like $25 for one. And I was like, yeah, no. I don't think this is 16 inches, y'all. I don't think this is 16 inches, but I'm still make it work because it's cute. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Yes, ooh, I'm gonna be cute for the holidays. Hold up, let me get a little side. Okay. So anyways, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next one, and yeah, bye.
Someone call an ambulance, the nigga getting numb. Told her don't run. It's a 50 in a glizzy and 100 in a drum.
You scared me.